A robot that costs around $20,000 yet has the potential to generate tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars every year sounds almost unbelievable. But that's exactly the future Elon Musk believes Tesla Optimus could create. According to Musk, the real value of Optimus isn't simply that it looks like a person. It's that it can perform an enormous variety of useful tasks. Tesla has suggested that the robot may eventually be capable of handling thousands of different activities, and every software update could unlock even more abilities. The secret behind that vision isn't just artificial intelligence. It comes down to one of the most difficult engineering challenges Tesla has ever faced: the robotic hand. Musk has repeatedly explained that building a hand with human-like precision is one of the hardest parts of creating a truly useful humanoid robot. If a human hand can perform around 100 different kinds of movements and tasks, Tesla's goal is to allow Optimus to complete the majority of them with similar accuracy. So what can Tesla Optimus actually do? And why does Musk believe it could become one of the most valuable products ever created? Think about everyday life. After a long day at work, most people still have dishes to wash, laundry to fold, meals to prepare, and countless other chores waiting at home. Imagine walking through the front door and having a robot already taking care of those responsibilities. That idea once sounded like science fiction, but Tesla believes it is becoming increasingly realistic. The demonstrations we've already seen reveal a robot capable of folding clothes, watering plants, carrying delicate objects such as eggs, organizing tools, operating computers, walking naturally, dancing, squatting, and interacting with people. These demonstrations represent only the beginning. Tesla expects the same technology to expand far beyond household assistants. Picture a clothing store where Optimus folds and packages thousands of garments every day without getting tired. Imagine farms where robots assist with harvesting crops, transporting supplies, and monitoring fields. Restaurants could rely on robots to prepare ingredients, clean workstations, and support kitchen staff. Hotels could automate room service and housekeeping, while hospitals might use humanoid robots to transport medical equipment and assist healthcare workers with repetitive tasks. All of these possibilities depend on one essential component: the robot's hands. Human hands are incredibly sophisticated. Combined with the human brain, they allow us to perform thousands of unique activities every single day. That is why Tesla has invested enormous resources into developing one of the most advanced robotic hands ever created. One of the key engineering measurements is known as degrees of freedom. In simple terms, this describes how many independent movements a robotic system can perform. Earlier versions of Optimus featured fewer moving joints, but Tesla has significantly increased the hand's flexibility. Each improvement allows the robot to grasp objects more naturally, manipulate tools with greater precision, and perform increasingly delicate work. Elon Musk has even stated that developing the hand accounted for a major portion of the engineering effort behind Optimus. Reproducing the dexterity of a human hand is far more difficult than simply building robotic arms or legs. Every finger must move independently while maintaining strength, balance, and precise control. As Tesla continues improving these capabilities, the robot could eventually perform highly specialized work. Future versions may assist in laboratories, repair complicated machinery, perform detailed inspections, support manufacturing operations, or even help surgeons by providing exceptional precision during certain procedures. Of course, mechanical hardware alone is not enough. Intelligence is equally important. Tesla equips Optimus with advanced neural networks and computer vision technology derived from years of experience developing full self-driving systems. Instead of requiring programmers to manually define every movement, Optimus can observe demonstrations and learn how to perform new tasks. According to Musk, the long-term objective is for the robot to watch someone complete a job, analyze the sequence of actions, and then reproduce those actions with minimal additional training. That dramatically reduces the amount of programming required whenever Optimus learns something new. Imagine showing the robot a cooking tutorial online. After watching the video, Optimus could help prepare the same meal by gathering ingredients, following each recipe step, and assisting throughout the cooking process. The same concept applies to music. A robot capable of observing someone playing the piano could demonstrate proper finger placement, correct mistakes, and guide beginners through practice sessions. Instead of simply displaying instructions, the robot becomes an active instructor. Computer vision makes these abilities possible. Using multiple cameras and sophisticated sensors, Optimus continuously analyzes its surroundings. It identifies furniture, tools, equipment, people, pets, and obstacles while adjusting its movements accordingly. Inside Tesla factories, this allows the robot to transport components safely through busy production areas without interfering with human workers. Safety is another major advantage. A robot equipped with advanced vision systems can recognize dangerous situations, identify obstacles, detect unexpected movement, and respond appropriately. Tesla believes these capabilities will become increasingly valuable in both industrial environments and private homes. Beyond physical work, Optimus could also function as an office assistant. Demonstrations already show the robot using keyboards, operating computer mice, holding smartphones, organizing paperwork, and interacting with office equipment. In the future, it could help schedule meetings, organize calendars, prepare reports, respond to emails, manage documents, and assist employees with repetitive administrative tasks. Rather than replacing every office worker, Optimus may eliminate many of the routine responsibilities that consume valuable time each day. Tesla is also preparing several important improvements for future generations of Optimus. The company continues reducing overall weight through redesigned structural components and lighter materials, making the robot faster, more efficient, and easier to operate throughout an entire workday. Tesla is also expected to improve movement speed, balance, and agility through upgraded motors, actuators, and joint mechanisms. Faster movement combined with greater stability would allow Optimus to navigate homes, warehouses, hospitals, and factories much more effectively. Communication will become another major upgrade. Future versions are expected to support multiple languages, understand natural conversations, recognize individual preferences, and interact with users in a more personal and conversational manner. Perhaps the most exciting advancement involves learning itself. Tesla wants Optimus to improve continuously by observing demonstrations, practicing tasks, and sharing knowledge across large fleets of robots. Every improvement made by one robot could eventually benefit thousands of others through software updates. Naturally, Tesla is not alone in this race. Companies across the world, particularly in China, are investing billions of dollars into humanoid robotics. Competition continues growing rapidly as more manufacturers recognize the enormous commercial potential of intelligent robots. Industry analysts predict that the global humanoid robotics market will expand dramatically during the next decade as costs decline and capabilities improve. While many existing robots still cost well over $70,000, Tesla hopes to make Optimus affordable enough for businesses and eventually individual consumers. One reason Tesla believes this is achievable is because it already manufactures many of the components Optimus requires. Electric motors, battery technology, sensors, onboard computers, artificial intelligence software, and large-scale manufacturing facilities already exist within Tesla's ecosystem. This vertical integration gives the company a significant cost advantage compared with many competitors. Even with those advantages, enormous engineering challenges remain. Building robots that operate reliably in unpredictable real-world environments is far more difficult than operating inside controlled factory settings. Engineers must continue improving mobility, perception, manipulation, battery efficiency, and artificial intelligence before humanoid robots become truly common. Many researchers also point out that robots do not always need to resemble humans perfectly. In some industries, specialized robotic designs may outperform humanoid machines. Tesla, however, believes that a human-shaped robot offers the greatest flexibility because our homes, workplaces, and tools were originally designed for people. Whether Optimus ultimately transforms everyday life exactly as Elon Musk predicts remains to be seen. But one thing is already clear. Humanoid robotics is rapidly moving from research laboratories into the real world, and Tesla intends to be one of the companies leading that transformation. What do you think? Would you buy a Tesla Optimus if it became available for around $20,000? Which feature would be the most valuable to you? Household assistance, factory work, healthcare support, education, or personal productivity? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest Tesla and AI updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.